Hello, I'm Nahida. Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a sweet and crispy traditional snack that's full of flavor. Banana ball or banana bunda snacks. Perfect for tea time or as a quick bite for the little ones. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well and set aside. The word bunda means ball. These snacks are round delights from South Asian kitchen. In a blender, add 2 ripe bananas. Ripe bananas were once called nature's candy for their natural sweetness. Half cup melted jaggery and 1/4 cup grated coconut. Blend everything into a smooth mixture. Pour it into the dry flour mix. Add 1/8 teaspoon baking soda and 2 to 3 tablespoon water to get a thick yet smooth batter. This recipe is a fusion of traditional flavors and modern simplicity. Mix until well combined. Whole wheat flour gives fiber and a healthy twist to a sweet snack. Bananas are rich in potassium, great for heart and muscle health. Coconut adds a nice touch of healthy fat and enhanced taste. If your batter feels too thick, just add a spoonful of water to adjust. Now grease your hands with a little oil and shape small balls. Drop them into medium heated oil and fry until golden brown on all sides. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give each piece space to cook evenly. Fry in medium heat, too hot and they will burn too fast, staying raw inside. You can also bake this in an oven or air fryer for a healthier version. Crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside, your banana ball or banana bunda is ready to serve. Did you enjoy this recipe? Let us know in the comments. And if you try it, share your pictures too. We love seeing your creation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. We'll be back with more tasty and simple snacks soon. Until then, stay happy and keep cooking.